Alright y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing like a mini ride out kind of thing. So right now we have like a RTR and a modded Razor. Right now we're going to go grab some more people. Hopefully we can. Here's a modded Razor. RTR. Alright, so we have like a few of them. We have a go-kart and RTR and a modded Razor. Yo. Bro, this ride out sick. Yo, this is the first ride I've ever been to. Yo, wait. Turn around, something happened over there. Whoa. Bro, that wheelie was sick. I need to learn how to wheelie this thing. Bro, even though it's a wrist tire, bro, it's still a bike. Like, bro, that thing is crazy. Bro, oh, yo, edit right now, edit.
Just quickly pulling up, picking up everybody.
Bro, this ODI play is so clean. You should buy e-bike.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we have another bike. We have a high keep. So, now we're gonna go see if we can try to get Yosmo on this ride out. Alright, we're bypassing the go-kart. That's RTR. That's the go-kart behind. And we have these on the front. Yo, Isaac! First ride out! This is our first ride out! Leading this ride out? Alright y'all, wait, let's go like, yo,
What up?
wanna join the ride out?
That's actually crazy. Hold up.
Yo, wait, come check out the bikes, bro.
Hold up.
Anthony needs a bike.
Anthony needs a bike.
And
Nathaniel. And then we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, yo, bring out the Yosmo. Dude, let's film an edit.
This one sucks. That's insane.
Yeah, you painted it black.
That thing's smaller than I expected.
It is small.
Yeah, put it like, yeah, put it right here. Oh yeah, move this bike in. It's off? Right there.
Wait, put it.
Oh yeah, no, put it right here. Josh, where's the bag? Let me grab my phone.
It's 30 miles of range. I'm pretty
Yo,
After you learn,
we're gonna try to ride the RTR.
I was wheeling and I really never did. I was doing
I bet. Let me check. Okay, that was kind of sketchy over there. This thing is sick. So cool. thing is so clean. Alright, we're riding the Yasma. It's on mode 1, but alright, let's ride the Yasma. Turn it up. This thing is kind of clean.
The gray supermotos,
Bro.
with gray.
Like,
Would you get Action 5?
yeah.
Should we go?
Stop over here. Yo! Bro, just join the ride out.
Let's go slow. I couldn't see squat. Yeah, let's go slow. It's gonna be such a W video. Alright, we're going to the back of the Rideout. Yo, Mark, such a W Rideout. Alright, let's speed up.
Oh, dude, I forgot the helmet. How much?
And the gloves, bro.
Yeah, I did. I got gloves.
W Rideout. Bro, we have, what's it called? We have 5 bikes and a go-kart. Yeah, bro. Yo, it's 2:49. It's 2:49.
2:49. I was driving for like 4 hours.
Mark, it's the after Rideout. I see ya. Next Rideout.
See ya.
Dude, it was actually so fun to ride out.
Bro, I know. We should do more. Oh, bro. That was actually fun. That was my first time being to like a Rideout.
Yo, if I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never. I'm picking a